If this isn't giving holiday hair, if this isn't giving what special occasion are we going to, I don't know what does. I think for $40, I mean, what we gonna do? $40? $40?
Crown baller, take one. Action. That's a wrap.
What's up, babies? Welcome back to another video. My name is Kay and this is Crown Baller. First things first, before we even get into this video, if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, it's almost like, what are you doing? What are you doing? Hit that red subscribe button down below. Join our team, come sit on our bench. We would love to have you here. Of course, we are all things basketball and beauty. Beauty on a budget, baddie on a budget. We're here to gather the goodness of the world. Praise God. Also, if you're not following me on all of my social medias, again, what are we doing? It's a new year, it's a new season, it's a new day. Follow me on all of my social media. They'll be on screen. If not, they'll be in the description box below. You know how this goes. Without any further ado, let's get into this video. Y'all, I woke up this morning feeling a little bit under the weather. This weather in Charlotte is giving bipolar as ever. Pipes were frozen the other day and now it's sunny and warm outside. I'm confused. And so is my body, and that's why we're sick. Anywho, so the reason you clicked on this video was because you were trying to see about this little version dupe or whatever that I picked up. So I recently just picked up this little babe right here. The Free Tress Equal Baby Hair Lace Front Wig. Let me let y'all see. And it's in the color FFT 1B30. So it's like an ombre type of vibe. Let me take her out. Y'all, this is my very, very, very first Synthetica. So your girl is a lot nervous. Like, not a little bit, but a lot. Ooh, child. Okay. Okay, it's giving dimension. This hairline is giving some things that we could possibly work with. I could pluck it a little bit. I do have two combs on the side of the part, a comb in the back, and the inside of the cap is like, you know, an open dome type of vibe. I'm gonna adjust these straps. I do believe this wig is 26 inches. Let's just put little baby on and see. Okay. 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 She's giving us Hollywood waves. I'm definitely, oh, got a little, okay, little tangle. I was told when I was watching the videos to not necessarily rub my fingers through curlier hair, wavy hair, because that's where we're gonna get the most frizz. We got a nice little parting space. I do have my hot comb on ready so that we can flatten baby out. So what do you guys think? I don't know how I feel about it, honestly. It's really dark. I would expect for this wig to be like, the ombre is really pretty, but like it goes into 1B, which is a really harsh dark color versus like a 2, you know, or like a natural brown type of thing. The curls are really beautiful though. It's really bouncy. Let me let y'all see. So my first impressions is the hair definitely is not virgin hair. Okay, this is a virgin hair dupe. That's my first impression. Definitely gonna get a few tangles throughout the day. I'm gonna have to like refrain from rubbing my hands through my hair. I'm gonna let you guys watch me put this wig on and kind of customize it to my head, and then I'm gonna come back and give my very final thoughts of this wig.
Okay, babes. So I'm going to kind of talk through while I do some customizations to this wig to make it just a little bit more natural on my head. Baby is Synthetica, but she don't have to look like a Synthetica, okay? So I am kind of prepping my hairline, and I'm using the ORS olive oil spray to lay down this wig to my head. Now, I use lay down very lightly because, baby, this wig ain't laid down, okay? I don't know if it was just me, the method that I use, if it was a spray, if it was a makeup, girl, I'm not sure, but baby didn't lay how we wanted her to lay. So yeah, I would definitely recommend you using something, or maybe I took it off a little too soon. I recommend laying it down, you know, more securely than I did, I should say. So I added a little bit of the foundation to this lace. It was a little bit lighter than me, so I wanted to add a little bit of foundation to my lace to kind of make little baby lay a little bit more melted or whatever, quote unquote. So I'm kind of pressing it in to my scalp. Now, what I will say is this wig does have a little bit, just a tiny bit of parting space in that frontal area. I would suggest plucking it just to make it a little bit more realistic. Like you can see the hairline looks super wiggy. Like even me pulling this hair in the middle of my part just to make the part more realistic. I would definitely recommend just doing as much as you can because this hairline in the front of this wig is just super fake. And we want everything to look natural. Like, yes, we're doing baddie on a budget, but we don't want people to know that we're doing baddie on a budget. Okay. Like, it's a secret that this wig is $40. It's a secret. I did have some trouble, like I said, laying this wig down. It was mostly my size that I had problems with. So I would definitely, again, just make sure that you use your, proper methods. I was almost trying to rush this process, if I'm being honest. Because I'm just so used to lace just laying easily. But with this one, you got to work a little bit. I'm not going to lie to you. Yeah, so if you don't want to pluck the hairline because like I said this hair does get kind of frizzy, I would definitely suggest that you add some baby hairs and sideburns if you can, which is what you're going to see me do. Girl, these stock cards was, I'm like, okay, it was another one. I thought I already cut it, but it was two. It was definitely two of them. So to make my wig lay a little bit flatter, I did use my flat iron. Now, excuse me, my hot comb. Now y'all seen my face when I was about to put that heat on there. Your girl was nervous. Okay, it's my first synthetic wig, and heat and plastic do not go together. Okay, but surprisingly, I didn't have any issues, and the hot comb went through very easily. I want to say my hot comb was on like maybe like 350. This hair can be heated up to 400 Fahrenheit. So if you want to curl this hair, if you want to use your hot comb, you can. I also did see a video where a girl like straightened this wig, which I may or may not try just because when I get tired of this hair like being wavy and hard to manage kinkily, I might just try to straighten it and see what's up. But yeah, so don't worry about like if you can put heat on this hair because you can. Also, here I am using some mousse and a little bit of the ORS spritz spray, and I'm trying to lay down some baby hairs in the front, just at my temple. I do both sides. Again, if you guys know here, if you guys aren't new here, and if you are, this is not, I repeat, this is not the channel for baby hairs. Okay. We are still working. God is not done with us yet. Okay. With these baby hairs, we still struggle every day. And we're not gonna like we're not ashamed of it. We're just not ashamed. Like we're trying to be better every day. And that's all that we can do in this lifetime. You know what I mean? Like in 2023, that's all we can do. So, yeah, I'm attempting to do some baby hairs in the front, and then of course I gotta have my sideburns. For me, that's just what makes a wig. Like, I just need sideburns. Like in my natural hair, I'm gonna have some sideburns no matter the style. Okay, so we gonna have some. Now they look a little bit again struggling. All right, but we're gonna let go and let God. Praise him. Okay. So once I'm kind of like letting those baby hairs and sideburns set a little bit, and I'm combing out any excess hair that I may have plucked, and just kind of combing and brushing his hair out. Like it gets very tangly very fast. Like wearing it all day and kind of letting it brush against my clothes, my jacket, my coat. It definitely at the nape of the neck specifically gets like a nest back there, but this is synthetic hair, so like it's not going to be as easy as you can see me using all my strength to brush out. Like, let me just be honest with you guys. This might have been a stretch, but I put just a little bit of oil thinking that maybe the oil would help the hair like manage better. It didn't really help. But to each his own. You can do what you want. I'm just trying stuff because I don't know what to do. All right, we're gonna again leave it in God's hands. So I'm using this Red by Kiss lace tint foundation powder, and I'm just putting it along my hairline, kind of making that, or excuse me, my part, just trying to make sure little baby is right.
Okay, babes. So here is my finished look. Let me turn around. Let me do a little spin for you. Cause honey, it's on me. It's on me, baby. If this isn't giving holiday hair If this isn't giving what special occasion are we going to, I don't know what does. Maybe it's giving me everything I need to give, honey. I think that this wig is so pretty on. I was nervous when I take it out the box, but I think that it's so pretty. Overall, I think I would give this wig a 7 out of 10. Let me tell you guys why I would give it a 7 out of 10. First of all, the color, beautiful. The hair itself, it feels synthetic. Like, I can't run my fingers through this wig without getting a tangle. Like, I just can't. So I definitely don't like that. Like, I'm so used to my human hair wigs, like I can just run my fingers through it, my curls, whatever the case is, and it's gonna go all the way through. This, however, I'm gonna get a snagger 6. The waves are absolutely beautiful. It is getting a little frizzy. I did have to brush it out because I plucked some hairs a little bit. I like big hair, so I'm okay with like the big va-va-voom. There's so much density of hair in this wig, and I think the more you like run your fingers through it and brush it out, the more big it's gonna get. I'm actually obsessed with the wig. This is definitely just a hit or quitter if it's like a birthday, a holiday, it is the holiday season, just want to look cute real quick. It's a quick little $40 pickup. You can get it, wear it maybe max 2 or 3 times, and then we're gonna have to talk about Lil Baby because I don't know what happens after the second wear. I'm gonna let you guys know a little bit further. Maybe I'll do an updated review if I continue to wear this wig. I wouldn't suggest sleeping in this wig unless you want to actually put flexi rods on it to get this hair out. But like, you don't want to like just put this hair in a ponytail and scrunch it up. Like, I wouldn't recommend that. It also could be a little bit more natural at the hairline. I attempted to do some baby hairs. This is not the channel for baby hair, so if you're looking for baby hair tutorial, you've come to the wrong place. I say it every video. I think for $40, I mean, what we gonna do? $40? $40? I did attempt to use some ORS wig grip spray, but it didn't really work. I do have the combs in front, so it should be pretty secure. It is like tacked down from about here to here. The side, like the sides right here and my sideburns are definitely not tacked down. Yeah. I will leave all the specifics and details of this wig down in the description box. And of course, the link to where I purchased this wig. I got it from Ebony Line, I believe. So I will leave everything down. For my first synthetic wig, I'm pretty excited. Not gonna lie, I was very nervous. I did have my my hot comb. Hot comb was on like 360 and it laid baby down very, very smooth. There's no like singe of hairs. It says it can go all the way up to 400 heat, so you could potentially put some curls back in. Like if you brush this hair out and you want to, you can put the curls back in up to 400 heat Fahrenheit. I'm not gonna continue to yap. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns or suggestions of the wigs that I should try next, like the wigs that you would suggest that are pretty good synthetic wigs, definitely leave them down below. I love you so much. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Give me a kiss.